In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to install the Sunny Island X. For all work on the device, always follow the instructions in the valid operating manual and observe all safety notices. Before we begin the installation, the requirements for the installation site must be checked. This includes permissible installation positions, dimensions, and recommended clearances. Make sure that all materials and tools that are additionally required are ready and available. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the overview of the connection plate. When positioning the device, always pay attention to its center of gravity. Now we come to the most important part. We will install the inverter. First, we screw the transport handles into the threaded holes on the right and left sides. We turn them as far as possible until they are flush with the housing. It is important that we screw them in straight so they do not get misaligned. This way, we avoid damaging the threads. To ensure the handles are properly tightened, we insert a screwdriver into the opening in the handle and turn it 90 degrees. This way, the handles are secure and we can easily lift the inverter later. Now we remove the cover cap and unscrew the screw using a hex key. After that, we can carefully remove the housing cover. It's best to set all parts, cap, screw, gasket, and cover, aside in an orderly manner so that nothing gets lost later. Now we hang the mounting template into the wall bracket. With the help of the template, we align the cables and cut them to the required length. While doing this, we keep in mind that the inverter will later have a depth of 40 centimeters. Afterwards, we remove the mounting template again. Now we hang the inverter into the wall bracket. While doing so, we carefully guide the device over the cables so that they protrude through the opening into the housing. Make sure that the connection plate is positioned below the opening. Once everything is aligned, we secure the inverter with 2 screws on each side. This way, the device sits firmly and securely. In the next step, we unscrew all 4 transport handles again. If they are a bit tight, we simply insert a screwdriver into the hole and loosen them that way. Finally, we attach the connection plate. To do this, we position it on the housing and fasten it with 3 screws. With that, the installation is complete. The inverter is now securely mounted and ready for electrical connection. If the electrical connection is not made immediately, we then put the housing cover on. We hope this video was able to help answer your questions. If you need further assistance, check out more tech tips on our channel or leave your questions in the comments below this video. Would you like to always see the latest tech tips about SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.